2018 Buick Regal TourX. The Buick Regal TourX provides all the functionality you could ever want from a vehicle. Large amounts of cargo room, plenty of headroom and legroom in both rows, and a look that stands out from the rest are all reasons to check this vehicle out. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.